Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Salam doostan, خوش اومدید به کانال من. My name is Majid and today is our first video of the series to learn Persian. Today we're gonna talk about greetings. So if you're ready, let's go. So greetings. The first word that everybody needs to learn is absolutely the word hi. In Persian, we say Salam. Salam. It means hello or hi, doesn't make a difference. If it's in the morning, you can also say Sobh bekhair. Good morning. Sobh bekhair. Normally, we say Salam almost all day, but in the morning, it is also often to say Sobh bekhair. Then we have Asr bekhair. This is a little formal. Actually, I didn't want to include it in my lesson because I told you I would like to teach you what is really spoken in real life. But it's good also to know this one. You can avoid using it if you like, but it's good to know it. Asr bekhair. Good evening. Asr bekhair. You can always use Salam and you are safe. Now we go to how are you. In Persian, you can say how are you in three different forms. The first one, چطوری. چطوری. Second one, حالت چطوره. حالت چطوره. Third one, خوبی. خوبی. It means are you okay, are you good? So that three of them mean actually how are you, and we can answer to this question like this: خوبم مرسی. خوبم ممنون. Or you can just easily say مرسی or ممنون. So خوبم مرسی or خوبم ممنون means I'm fine, thanks. Or you can say not bad. bad نیستم. So you see the word bad in English and Persian is the same. Bad نیستم. Not bad. تو چطوری؟ خوبی؟ It means how about you, and you? Are you okay? How are you? تو چطوری? Or خوبی? And the answer is منم خوبم. من هم خوبم. مرسی. I'm fine too, thanks. So this ham means two. This ham will be heard short in conversation like am, like manam, manam, manham, manam. Manam khubam, merci. So let's review. Salam, salam. چطوری؟ خوبم. تو چطوری؟ منم خوبم. Now it's time to learn pronouns in Persian. So let's go. This is the table. For the word for pronoun I, we have man. Not the man in English, but just man. So man means I. You, to. He, she, or it is u or un. You can say un always. Then we have we, ma, you, shoma, they, una. I told you this is just Persian in use in real life conversation. Formal Persian might be a little different. For example, for they, we have anha or ishan, but we never use them. So it's better to use these phrases, these words that I tell you. So I repeat it again. Man, to, un, ma, shoma, una. So after learning these pronouns, it's time to learn our first verb in Persian. And what is that? Yes, it is to be. So, to be in Persian infinitive is بودن. In Persian, if you would like to conjugate the verbs, you have to know the stem of the verbs. Don't worry, friends, don't worry, because we learn the verbs not too fast. Every time I introduce you some verbs and I will tell you the stem. If you know the stems, then you can just conjugate the verbs and use them easily. So the verb to be in Persian is budan, and the infinitive is budan, and the stem is hast. So if you know the stem, then we have some suffixes to add to this stem, then you will have your sentence. So let's see. Stem, hast. So if you want to say I am, we have already learned, is man. Then we have hast, and here we have the suffix am for the first person. So we say man hastam. Man hastam. For the second person, we have e. So we say to hasti. To hasti. For the third person, we have has or asked or e. I will tell you something in the next slide, but for the moment, we say u hast or u ast, or e that I will tell you later. So we have ma hastim. Ma hastim for we are. Shoma hastid, or shoma hastin for you are. You might say, what is this? Because in English we have you are first person, you are plural, the same. But this is like languages like German, like French. So here we have a kind of polite you. For example, if you're talking to your grandfather, to your boss, to your teacher, or someone unfamiliar, it's better to use this form. The singular one is for friends and the people you already know. So let me repeat all of them again. Man hastam. To hasti. او هست. او است. ما هستیم. شما هستید. اونا هستن. Now let's have some examples so you can learn them easier. Here we go. We have the adjective good. We have already learned. Good means خوب in Persian. So let's make these sentences together. I am good. For I we have man. Am, we say hast, plus am, hastam. Man, hastam, good, خوب. So man, hastam, خوب. But in Persian, verb goes at the end of the sentences. So you must say man, خوب هستم. Man, خوب هستم. You are good. تو خوب هستی. He or she is good. اون خوب است. Or اون خوبه. We are good. ما خوب هستیم. You are good. شما خوب هستید. They are good. اونا خوب هستند. So this is the correct sentences that we have, but we tend to reduce these sentences a little more. In Persian, we usually drop pronouns and we do not use pronouns. For example, for all these examples, you can just delete man, to, un, ma, shoma, una, the pronouns, and you can continue the sentences. But I have already marked the stem of the verbs as read for you. It means that for the verb to be, you can also delete this stem. For this verb, I just would like to repeat, for this verb, for to be, for budan, this stem has, you can delete, and you can forget about also the pronoun, and you can have a very, very shorter sentence or word, a word that plays the role of a sentence. So man is gone, خوب stays, and hast we can remove it, and then just this suffix. So we have خوبم. من خوب هستم. The shorter form is خوبم. تو خوب هستی. Shorter. خوبی. اون خوب است. خوبه. This E or E that I just told you before, that's for the shorter form that we always use E for the third person single. So ما خوب هستیم. خوبیم. شما خوب هستید. خوبید. or خوبین. اونا خوب هستن. خوبن. It's easy, guys. Don't worry if you just practice like 10 more sentences, and if you try to remember these suffixes, you can easily make basic sentences. For example, a subject and an adjective. So let's have one more example or an exercise for you. The adjective happy in Persian is خوشحال. خوشحال. Now we're gonna say I'm happy, you're happy, he's happy, she's happy. So let's see what we can say. Just think for a moment. I am happy. You can make the first longer sentences first. I can help you now. من خوشحال هستم. تو خوشحال هستی. اون خوشحال است. ما خوشحال هستیم. شما خوشحال هستید. اونا خوشحال هستن. It's your turn. You can make the final shorter sentence now. I wait some seconds for you. So for the first sentence, I'm happy, you can drop easily man and hast and make it like خوشحالم. Second, خوشحالی. Third, خوشحاله. خوشحالیم. خوشحالید. خوشحالند. So it's easy if you repeat it for 10 more verbs, 20 more adjectives, you will learn it forever. So we continue our greetings lessons by going to asking for names and nationality. So what is your name? اسمت چیه؟ اسمت چیه؟ I'm Majid. من مجیدم. Or من مجید هستم. You see both versions. من مجیدم with just suffix or من مجید هستم. Sometimes if you say من مجید هستم, it's a little for the first meeting better, a little more polite or a little formal. But both of them are correct. من مجیدم. من مجید هستم. What is your name? اسم تو چیه؟ اسم تو چیه؟ And you can say, my name is John. My name is Sarah. من جان هستم. من سارا هستم. Now we go to nationality. Where are you from? اهل کجایی؟ اهل کجایی؟ I'm Iranian. And you? من ایرانیم. Or you can say من ایرانی هستم. Both of them. من ایرانیم. تو چی? This تو چی means and you. تو چی؟ من هم ایرانی هستم. منم ایرانی هستم. I am Iranian too. You can say your nationality. I'm American. من آمریکایی هستم. I'm German. من آلمانی هستم. I'm French. من فرانسوی هستم. so you can practice it and maybe leave some comments with your nationalities under this video. So guys, thanks for watching. That was my first lesson for you. I don't want to make it so long. It was, I think, easy and you can handle it. You can learn it until my second video comes out on Wednesday, hopefully. So try to learn this verb to be and the pronouns, and try to practice this first greetings. If you have any questions, you can leave comments under this video, and don't forget to visit the website and my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. Thank you very much. Have a good day or night. See you next time. Bye bye.